Bamboo basket, reflector, working brakes. Never forget your helmet. Pristine lips, I'm up to the morning market. 30 sweet lemons, a hot dog chicken, and a dozen of free range eggs. Thanks, keep the change. Whistling into I'm home. What a perfect day. I hang the shots out in the yard all on my baking tray. Think about you, mother, to recite a way. Mess will all need her salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever. Then the moon rose, making lemon chicken roast. Then in the oven, man in the kitchen, my friend, hey, what, why, you violated access, 17 wicked thoughts around the rest. We all know the right answer, we shouldn't have been born to where you are. We are packed in the car, two children squeezing against the body, similar to me. With tears falling down our face, we began to say we can never take anything from our souls. Louder and louder, we can never take anything from our souls. Louder and louder. The shade of my hair, send me a foreign language. Looking on the bright side, yeah, I'm alive. I still remember the people I love. So come at me and do your worst. All this pain and suffer to stand a chance against our iron hurts. As the morning came and went, and the people stayed and left, and the earth went round and around. The stars never looked so kind, and we never surviving to the tiny set on the wall. Every night was invited to watch the beautiful bit by moonlight bird. This bird away carrying my silence voice, singing our story song, letting everyone in the future know there existed. What a perfect night. I feel the urge to write a book past all my life. Until recently time did the browse of fat bring my body big. Dirty on needed sticks and paper. I started to write poems after poems. Then the moonlight burst, painting in me this golden dirty. And up in the gate, you're finally free. Picked up my bicycle, riding home to mother, riding my delusion more. I saw a person of heaven there side in my yard, reading a paperback print on my back. On a hillside, your little fish falling sweat, walking to the mammoth park to put down freshly cut white Preston, the former cut police, but were had to trolling lying on their breath, singing two poems written by me.